Chapter 2. Uses of a computer. At home, we use many different machines. For example, we have a washing machine to clean our clothes, a refrigerator to keep our food cold, a juicer to make fresh juice, a microwave to heat our food, and a television to watch our favorite shows. Each of these machines does one special job. But guess what? A computer is a smart and special machine that can do many different things. It works very fast and helps us with many tasks all at once. Let us know about them. Uses of a computer. Activities we can do on a computer. To learn new things. To draw and color pictures. To play music. To search information. To speak with friends and family. To play games. To solve maths problem quickly. To watch cartoons and videos. Fact bit. A television lets us watch movies, but we can also watch movies on a computer. A calculator helps us solve math problems, and we can solve sums on a computer too. A music system plays our favorite songs, and we can listen to music on a computer as well. Places where computers are used. We can see people using computers everywhere. Now, let us see what computers do at different places. Schools, to teach and learn, to track library books, to record attendance. Homes, to study and play games, to watch cartoons and movies. Offices, to do office work, to send messages. Hospitals, to diagnose diseases, to keep records of patients. Shops and malls, to order and pay for things, to keep records. Restaurants, to order and pay for food. Airports, to book tickets, to get information for flights. Railway stations, to book and cancel train tickets. Chapter highlights. A computer helps us in doing different tasks. A computer can be used for writing letters, playing games, drawing pictures, studying different subjects, listening to music, watching cartoons, etc. Computers are used at different places such as at home, in schools, offices, hospitals, banks, malls, railway stations, airports, etc.